Welcome to iRepairFast.com's LG Thrill 4G digitizer and LCD replacement video. We'll be showing you how to replace both the digitizer and LCD, but you can use this video to do one or the other if only one is broken. As with all devices, please ensure it is powered down before we begin. The first step is to remove the back battery cover, SIM card, SD cards, and any other plug-in devices. Make sure to set these aside. As we move along through this repair, make sure that you keep your parts organized. We prefer to lay things down from left to right in rows, and then during reassembly we pick things up from right to left, and that keeps everything in order. Next, we're going to be removing 8 small Phillips screws. Make sure to put these in an area where they won't be blown off the table by a fan or knocked off. You don't want to spend any time on the floor searching for these screws.